Are you looking for the world's best selection of high-profit, innovative small appliances? You have found it. Yiwu, China, the global sourcing hub. I will show you the hottest products, their prices, and how you can start ordering.
Yiwu's strength is a product for every market and season. First, cooling economy bestsellers, from basic mini fans to solar-powered heads and misting fans. They dominate tropical markets worldwide. Next, essentials for students and homes. Mini cookers, energy-saving lamps, and kettles have steady. Then, all-season home appliances. Mini humidifier, heaters, and UV sanitizer cover your round needs. And crucially, region-specific products, we have CE, EAC certificate items and design tailored for markets like Europe and the Middle East. Now, let's talk about what matters most, cost and MOQ. Yiwu fits any budget. Basic volume seller, like simple fans, wholesale price is just $3 to $8. You can start with an MOQ as low as 100 pieces, perfect for testing the market. Upgraded model with features like solar charging, these cost $8 to $15 and often much higher profit margins. MOQ remains flexible, often from 100 units. Ready to source smarter and profit more? Contact us to connect with trusted Yiwu suppliers and launch your newest best-selling product today. Thanks for watching.